You're trying to launch Battlefield 6 and suddenly this pops up. Secure Boot is not enabled. Don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to fix this problem quickly and easily. But before we start, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future gaming fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right into it. First, let's check whether Secure Boot is actually enabled or not. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type in Info32, and hit Enter. A new window will open. Scroll down and look for Secure Boot state. As you can see, in my case it says off, which means Secure Boot isn't enabled. No worries, let's fix that. Now press Windows plus I on your keyboard to open settings. Go to Windows Update, then click on Advanced Options. Scroll all the way down and find Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Your PC will restart and show you a blue screen with several options. Once you're on that screen, go to Troubleshoot, then open Advanced Options. Next, open UEFI firmware settings, and then click Restart. Your computer will now boot into the BIOS menu. This is where we can enable Secure Boot. In the BIOS, look for an option called Secure Boot. It's usually found under Boot, Security, or Authentication tab, depending on your motherboard brand. Change it from disabled to enabled. Then save and exit your BIOS settings. Your PC will restart, and boom, Secure Boot is now active. To double-check, repeat the first step. Press Windows plus R, type in Info32, and hit Enter. This time, you should see Secure Boot state on. Now go ahead and launch Battlefield 6. The error should be gone. And that's it. Super simple, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below saying it worked. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.